This video is going to show you how to expand brackets. Expanding brackets means to get rid of the brackets. So if we look at the top question, we've got 3 brackets 2f plus 4. Right, to expand the bracket, we've got to multiply everything inside. Okay, so each term inside, so I've got this 2f, I've also got this plus 4 inside. They're both going to have to be multiplied by 3. So each thing inside is going to have to be multiplied by 3. So I'm going to have to do 3 times that. I'm going to have to do 3 times that. Okay, so the working out you're actually going to do is you're going to have 3 times 2f, right, and this is a plus 3. It's not very good plus. So it's plus 3 times, that's a plus 4. So we need to know our negative number rules. We need to know how to multiply algebraic terms. So we've got 3 times 2f is going to give us 6f. Then we've got plus 3 times plus 4. Okay, 2 pluses make a plus, or you remember it as a good thing happening to a good person. It's good. So we get plus 3 times 4, 12. Brackets expanded. They've now gone. The next question, we've got 2 outside the brackets and 4y plus 7 inside the brackets. So in this one, everything inside, so the 4y, the plus 7 has to be multiplied by 2. So let's draw lines in to help us remember. So I've got to do that times that, then I've got to do that times that. Remember, we're multiplying the plus 7 by 2. So what's that guess? So we've got to do, let's write it out the long way, we've got to do 2 times 4y. And remember, it's a plus 2. So I've got plus 2 times plus 7. 2 times 4y gets me 8y plus 2 times plus 7. So that's something good happening to someone good. That's a good thing. It's a plus. 2 times 7, 14. Third one down. This time we've got 5 brackets 2q minus 9. Right. This time we're going to have to do 5 times the 2q, then we're going to have to do 5 times minus 9. So we're going to have to be careful. We're going to have to remember our negative number rules here. Let's draw our lines in to help us. So I remember I've got to do that times that, and then that times the minus 9. Okay, let's write that out. So we've got 5 times 2q, and then we've got, remember that's a plus 5. Okay, there's a plus there, multiplied by minus 9. So 5 times the 2 gets us 10q. Then we've got something good happening to someone bad. Something good happening to someone bad is a bad thing. 5 times 9 is 45. So 10q minus 45. Right, we'll do one more example and then I'll give you can have some go at the questions on the next slide. So this last one, we've got 3 brackets 2s minus 4t. So in this one, I'm going to have to do 3 times each of the terms inside. So I'm going to have to do, let's draw our lines in. I'm going to have to do 3 times 2s, then 3 times minus 4t. So let's draw that, write that out the long way. We've got 3 times 2, that's an s, not 5. Then we've got, right, that's a plus 3 outside the brackets. So it's plus 3 times minus 4t. 3 times 2s gets me 6s. We got something good happening, someone bad. So that is a bad thing. 3 times 4t, 3 times 4 is 12, so it's minus 12t. Right, so what you got to remember, the number outside the bracket has to multiply each of the terms inside the bracket. Be careful if there's negatives. Got to remember your negative number rules. Okay, here's 5 questions. You have a go at them, and then I'll put the answers will appear. There you go. There's the answers. Only one you really need to be careful was this one down here. 5d's outside, so you had to do 5d times 2 to get you the 10d. And then you had to do 5d times minus 3d. Remember, d times d gets you d squared. And then do 5 times 3 gets you the 15. This is a plus, this is a minus. Something good happened to someone bad is a bad thing. Okay, so slightly harder on the next slide. Okay, this time, careful, the negative numbers. Okay, watch out for the squareds if they got the same letter being multiplied by itself. Okay, press pause, have a go at these, and the answers will appear in a second. Okay, there you go. Answers to those ones. Again, be careful. Make sure you remember 6p times minus 2p. You're going to end up with a p squared because the 2p's being multiplied together. 6 times the 2 gets you the 12. And then the negative, because it's plus 6, multiplied by minus 2. Sometimes you'll see questions like these ones. In these, we've got 2 sets of brackets in one question. So I'm going to do the top one, and then I'll leave you to try the other 3. Okay, so basically, this is just 2 questions like you've been doing, rolled into one. So we've got 2 brackets, x plus 1, plus 3 brackets, x plus 4. Be careful if you get a question where that's negative, because that's going to be minus 3, if it was negative, times each of the things inside. Right. Let's try and make things a little bit easier for ourselves. Let's draw on the lines so we don't forget to do any multiplications. So you got 2 times the x, you got 2 times the plus 1. Then we're going to have to do plus 3 times x and plus 3 times plus 4. So I'm going to write this out the really long way. So we've got 2 times x, and it's, remember, that's plus 2 times the plus 1 onto the second bracket, so it's plus 3 times the x, and then it's plus 3 times the plus 4. Okay, they're all pluses, so this is pretty easy. So what do we get? Let's put these all together. So we get 2x plus 2 plus 3x plus 12. Now I can't leave a question like that there. A question like this at GCSE would be worth 2-3 marks. We leave it like that, we're going to lose marks. We need to put together the things that are the same, because we've got some x's and then we've got some numbers we can put together. Okay, we need to simplify the expression. So put the x's together. We've got 5x, got 2x, plus 3x, and then I've got plus 2 and plus 12, which gets us plus 14. Simplified, question done. Okay, 3 more questions there for you to go up. Have a go at them, and then I'll bring the answers up. There you go, there's the answers. So, recap. When we expand a bracket, whatever number or number and letter that's outside, you need to multiply everything inside by it. Be careful of your negatives. Remember your good things happening to bad people. The little song, the rule. And if you do have double brackets like these questions, remember multiplying both sets of brackets out, then group together the like terms. Put these together, put those together.